Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to remove your card from IQ option. Right now we have here a goal chart and I want to deposit money on my real account. So we switch to my real account and we click here on deposit. Then from here we click on Visa MasterCard. We select Euro and do next. And then right now you will see this screen. But when you link your MasterCard or Visa to this website, you will see a screen here with linked cards. Then if you click there on payment options, you can remove that card from this screen. That is the only way how you can remove a card from IQ option. So keep in mind, it's very important to check this check mark right here, because this is saying save my card for future instant payments. So if you don't want to have that, uncheck that box right here. So if you want to delete it, just click here on payment options and remove that card. So it's that easy. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.